Hello everybody, I'm Ashraf and today I'm at Interwood. Why? Because they have a mega sale going with up to 30% off and they have a flat 15% off on kitchen. And मेरा दिल था अपने kitchen को सही करने का for a very long time. So Interwood is one of my favorite places to come for home anyway. And now that they have this amazing sale on, I'm going to check out the kitchen and I want you to check it out with me. Okay everybody, first things first, we're going to be exploring the Vogue Kitchen, which is very European style. So it's compact, it's neat, it's clean, it's like one in a row. लेकिन मजे की बात ये है that you can actually customize it to your liking in terms of color, in terms of the size you want, क्या चीज़ें कहाँ fit करनी है. What I like is the concealed fridge because fridges usually give trouble in terms of matching or looking good with the overall feel. Appliances की भी उन्होंने ज़बरदस्त सी एक जगह बनाई दी है. Lots of storage space in कम space, which is also very important. साथ ही साथ we've got these push to open sort of cabinets. There you go, which makes life very easy. And then keeping up with all things modern, there's a motorized drawer right here. One little latch. So to wrap things up, this kitchen is very neat, very clean, very compact, and एक छोटी सी जगह में आपको सब कुछ मिल सकता है in your budget. And now we've come down to the kitchen, which is my personal favorite. Minimal naam hai iska, and the name suits it really well because it's minimal. It's elegant, it's open, it's clean, and it gives you space to just be. And सबसे मजे की बात ये है कि it's handleless. कोई चीज़ें आपको intrude नहीं करती, disturb नहीं करती. It's smooth. Once again, it has a fridge that's been concealed, hidden. Appliances की बहुत सारी जगह है. And for us traditional people, where we have a lot of cutlery, there's insane amount of storage space here. So you can have a look at the size of these drawers. और ऐसे drawers इस side पे भी हैं, उस side पे भी हैं. तो जगह बहुत है, right? And again, you can customize it. It's budget friendly. The table over here, I like this feature a lot. And then the star of the show, the highlight, boys and girls, even though there's a lot more storage here, there, everywhere, is this little corner pull-out. Let me show it to you. हमने तो यहाँ पे अपना एक piece रखा है, but you can put in your sauces, your spices, anything and everything. But it's so convenient. So there's basically lots and lots of storage in this contemporary kitchen. So it's called minimal, correctly so. Because even though it has all the space for all the saman, it doesn't look too crowded and stuffy. और अब हम आ पहुँचे हैं at the Soho kitchen, which is basically industrial style kitchen. Industrial style से मतलब there's a lot of steel here, there's wood here. It's very cool. It's very open. Everything is out there on display. And for me, this is like the highlight. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप अपना खाना पीना तो डाल ही सकते हैं, but you can also put interesting pieces of decor and make your kitchen a little more of a fun space. It's spacious. You can light it according to your needs. There are these illuminated cabinets here as well. So you can very easily find the products that you're looking for. And this is a very special feature indeed. क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा चक्कर होता है, you know, with cabinets. Loving the glass windows here as well. Concealed fridge here also. Lots of space for your appliances. So if you like this design, as you should, you'd be up to date in terms of what's looking good these days around the world in kitchens. We've come to the end of this fantastic tour. लेकिन Interwood आप यहाँ पे खुद आएँ और देखें क्योंकि इतनी सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे available हैं. Appliances हो गई, convenience के मुताबिक drawers हो गए, lighting हो गई, सारी चीज़ें जो हैं आप customize कर सकते हैं और अपने budget में कर सकते हैं. और साथ ही साथ इस सारी चीज़ों की payment जो है आप installments में कर सकते हैं. So you can't get a better deal than this. Come to Interwood and check it out. Until next time.